WWE. It's at a interesting position. 3.75 billion market cap with 132 million in income. Their PE is at 30. PE growth is at 30. Price to sales is at 4. They have some debt. Earnings per share 1.6. Dude, that's not bad. That's really not bad. Insider ownership only 1%. Let's look into that. Let's see. Okay, yeah, let's look into the insider ownership first. WWE stock. World Wrestling Entertainment. So let's see. So these are, now we're looking for the biggest, the people who hold the most amount of shares in this stock. Vincent McMahon. Vincent McMahon. Look, Vincent McMahon. He owns 6,000 more in a trust. That's $250 million. Do you know who Lindsell Train is? Vanguard. Linda. Lindsell Train Global Equity. Because they own almost $1 billion. Lindsell Train. About Us. Lindsell Train. Dude, what is this? Let's see their team. Michael Lindsell, Nick Train, James Bullock, Madeline Wright, Alex Windsor Clive, Ban Van Leeuwen. Do you know any of these people? Probably not. I wonder what the connection is. Founder and portfolio manager, Nick Train. Oh yeah, so this is Lindsell Train. Looks odd to be that invested. Yeah. Yeah, so it's in the Lindsell Train Global Equity LLC, it's 70% of their portfolio is in WWE stock. But Lindsell Train Limited, it's only 7% of their portfolio, which is very reasonable. And that's actually their larger position, which is yeah, it's similar. That's really interesting. Let me see if there's more. Yeah, who owns WWE? Um, okay, so that's the other thing. Okay, so yeah, so Lindsell Train, Vincent McMahon, Vanguard owns some shares, tiny percentage. BlackRock owns some. Stephanie Levesque, Cadian Capital, Citadel, some hedge funds, but they don't own much. But it looks like they're buying. So that now let's look at that. Okay, a lot of selling actually. So Kevin Dunn, Stephanie Levesque, Chief Brand Officer. In September, she's for $40. She sold almost half her position. Stephanie Levesque, she owns a big percentage, I think. God damn it. Stephanie Levesque, 100%. 185 million. So they're selling. This guy sold 30% of his position. Kevin Dunn. Oh yeah, Paul Levesque. She's expected to take over the company when Vince is gone. But other people believe the company will be sold off, possibly to Disney. Really? That's interesting. So she's expected to take over the company, but yet she sold almost half her shares. Look at this. Stephanie Levesque in September of last year, she sold 43% of her shares. Then Paul Levesque sold 8% and 34%. And then Stephanie Levesque sold 14% in May of last year. Paul also 14%. So the Levesques are the ones that are selling all their freaking stock. I wonder if they maybe they needed money badly last year. It's possible. Because look, when did they sell? They sold it later in the year. Like May. Yeah, May is. And then a big sell in September at $40, and it's currently trading at more than that at $48. No. Oh, that's interesting. No travel expenses? Yeah, but I'm curious what if the plan is for the Levesques to take over. Massive TV deals for streaming. Yeah, that sounds good. It sounds good, but I wonder why they're selling so much of their stock. Look, they're selling it for $40, $46, $46, $44, $44. I don't know. Yeah, it's interesting. The financials, they don't seem that bad. What's the market cap again? $3.8 billion. So they're valued at 3.8 billion right now. Let's see what they did last year. They have $500 million in cash. Not that much debt. Long term, $1 billion in liabilities. That's really not bad. But how much money are they making? So net income of 131 million, 120 million, 70 million. I want to see out. Yeah, see, I need to get FinViz. I need to get the other years. Total revenue last year was like $1 billion. That's really, I mean, this is not a bad. It seems like it's a good value, and if you think that they're gonna grow, I mean, that they seem to be in a pretty good financial position as far as I can tell. It's interesting. I'll put it